Alright, so we're a week, maybe two away from purchasing my brand new bike. We're down to the last three, and I need to pick one of these bikes. If you saw my previous video where we visit my local dealership and we walk around, we sit on a few bikes, and if this is news to you, go watch the video that I posted previously where we visit my local dealership, we walk around, we sit on a bunch of different models, trying to decide which bike is going to be my new bike for 2026. Pretty nice video. I'll link it up at the end, check it out. But if you want to know the last three that I'm down to right now, the last three that I'm trying to decide in between, these are it. And we're gonna start with number one. But before that, real quick, take a guess right now in the comments. Don't cheat, don't watch the video and then comment. Comment right now which bikes you think are the last three that I'm trying to decide. Which one of these three bikes do you think I'm gonna be getting for 2026? New build, brand new bike. Just like I said, don't cheat yourself. Do it right now. Let's make this a little fun, interactive a bit. What are the three bikes? Comment, pause the video right now, comment down below. All right, did you guess? I feel like Blue's Clues asking you guys. Did you guess? Did you write it on the notepad? On the handy dandy notepad?
We are looking for Blue's Clues. Wow, our notebook is the first clue to who should be Blue's singing partner. See, you're really good at finding clues.
Some of you watching might be too old for Blue's Clues, or too young. All right, we'll start with number one. This pick is something different. A bike that I've spoken a lot about on the channel. A bike that I've spent some time on riding as well. A bike that I love. And it's also a bike that I've never owned, I never had. But I have spent some quality time, some quality miles riding this bike in Arizona, Texas, where else? Well, here in Jersey as well. This bike is the 2026 Street Glide, beautiful bike. And I know in that video previously you guys commented a lot, Road Glide, Road Glide, Road Glide, Road Glide, but if you paid close attention, I mentioned in that video that the bike I want to get, it needs to be a bike that I've never had before. It needs to be something different. We're constantly doing different stuff here. I don't like doing repetitive content over and over and over. So it can't be a bike that I already have. We've had the Road Glide, even though the new Road Glide is different, and I mean that would be pretty cool. It will be the Street Glide though. I think people overlook the Street Glide a lot due to the fact that the Road Glide is the cool bike to get, right? But I just wouldn't, because any channel out there doing bagger content just has a Road Glide, Road Glide, Road Glide, Road Glide, Road Glide. It's like a sea full of Road Glides, and I don't think people give the Street Glide enough credit or enough time, man. Like, the Street Glide is actually a really cool bike. I love the way it rides. Super comfortable riding position. And now with the new design, it's just a beautiful bike. I love it. I think it's a great option. Do I love the Road Glide? Absolutely. I'm not here saying the Road Glide sucks. The Road Glide, no, like that. I mean, the Road Glide would be my first pick, honestly. But due to the fact that I have already owned the Road Glide, I would want to try something different, and I think the Street Glide has a lot to offer. And it's just a bike that gets overlooked. And what I want to do is also do some stuff on a bike that is not so popular, like a Road Glide, a Lowrider S. You know, like, these bikes are the most popular bikes. If it's not a Lowrider ST. So I would want to try something different, and give you guys something different to watch, right? So that would be number one. Number two, the Street Bob. I mean, I countless times I've sat here Countless times I've done reviews on a street bob, between a street bob and a lowrider S, a street bob and an Indian Chief, just street bob content, street bob reviews. Absolutely love that bike. I think it's one of those bikes, quintessential pieces that Harley has that, like I said before, you can look at that bike from a mile away, look at the silhouette, you could just tell that it's a Harley. Bare bone, very minimal, so much that you can do with it. And it would be something different from a lowrider ST or a lowrider S that I've already had in the past as well. And the street bob just has so much potential. I love how bare bone it is, and I love that you can take that bike and build it into any type of bike you want. So different avenues that you can head down with that bike. And it's just, it looks classic, and then the new 26s, they're just so modern, but with that classic look to it. Bobbed out fender, just super simple, super minimalistic. And I don't know, like even me lately personally, I just think less is more. Like, I love the minimalistic look and feel of things now. So it's a bike that definitely attracts me. So yeah, the street bob, number 2. Number 3, very, very special bike. A very, very underrated bike at that. Probably one of the coolest bikes that people often overlook. For reasons why, I don't know. I mean, probably because in the past, it's more looked up on as like maybe an old man type of bike. That's safe to say. The Heritage. The Heritage is so freaking cool. So cool. And it's so overlooked, and I've always been a fan of this bike. So much you could do with it. It's a super lightweight touring bike, you could say. You could tour on that bike. It comes with that awesome windshield that is detachable. It comes with the bags already. Not a huge fan of the bags that the bike comes with. Honestly, if I get that bike, I would take those bags off and I would put some leather pros on it. Full leather. That would be super sick. Do a ton of stuff to that bike. But I love the option that you can take the windshield off. It comes with the bags already, so if you want to tour with that bike, super, super comfortable. It comes with that classic Milwaukee 8 engine. For 2026, you have the classic, which also comes in a street bob. The classic is just tuned differently. It's more of a comfortable ride. You have the classic, then you have custom, which comes on the Fat Boy and the Breakout, which gives you and delivers a bit more power. And talking about power, the classic also gives you 98 horsepower, where the custom gives you 104 horsepower. So there is a huge difference between all three engines. They're tuned differently, they're designated to a certain type of feel, certain type of ride. And then lastly, we have the high output, which comes on the Lowrider S and then the Lowrider ST. These are all 117 Milwaukee 8s, but each one is tuned differently. It's supposed to be and give you a different feel, like I said. And then the high output is gonna give you 114 horsepower. So each different one is different. But anyways, the Heritage comes with the classic engine. And then the Heritage, once again, is one of those bikes that you can take a look at from a mile away, look at the silhouette, don't even look at the details, and just by the lines of the bikes, the shape of it, you could just tell it's a Harley Davidson from a mile away. And especially that bike, because that bike just has the classic. It is the quintessential of classic Harley Davidson. With the fenders that it has, the look, the big clear windshield, the headlamps in the front. Super cool bike. Super, super, super cool bike. And yeah, these are my 3 options. So you got the Street Glide, the Street Bob, and then the Heritage. These are my top 3 picks. What do you guys think? I know a lot of you guys in the previous video, everyone was was voting a lot for the Road Glide. They were like, yeah, it's a Road Glide, it's a Road Glide. A lot of people said Street Glider, honestly. Some said Street Bob. 1 or 2 or 3 said Heritage. I saw a few breakouts there as well, which, you know, I wouldn't do a breakout at all. But yeah, man, these are my last 3 picks. We're gonna be picking up the bike within a week or 2. Not too sure yet. We're 2 weeks away from Harley Davidson's new drop as well. I can't wait to see what's coming out on January 14th. They should be, maybe we're gonna see a new model. Who knows? Like, well, there's a lot of cool stuff that we haven't seen yet that we're gonna be seeing that day. So tune in. We're gonna be doing a recap after that goes live as well. So come back to the channel. We're gonna be talking about whatever Harley Davidson revealed on there. Give you guys my honest opinion. As always, do we like it? Do we don't like it? Is it cool? Is it not? Is it different? Whatever it may be. And yeah, man, 2026, Happy New Year to everybody. 2026 is shaping up to be a great year, man. I'm really looking forward to anything and everything that the new year is ready to throw at me. We're starting off the year with a brand new bike. I mean, what can we say about that? I mean, it's awesome. Anyways, thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, think about giving a subscribe to it, like and comment this video, share with your friends, and like always, let the force be with you. Ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby. Peace.